Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I and Dave's son Caleb renovate houses, and today we want to show you how to replace the water filter in your GE Café refrigerator. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Abby? All right, a couple reasons you'd want to replace your water filter is because it blocks out impurities, and so it'll be healthier. The water will be healthier when you drink it, and also it's going to taste better. All right, so this is the water filter that you need to purchase for the GE Café series, and it's going to be this kind of teal color, and it's going to say RPWFE, and you'll see the GE logo at the top. And if you're looking online, you might find some kind of, generic or kind of knockoff filter, but we would definitely recommend you get the actual GE filter because you can't be certain that the other one's going to work perfectly. All right, so on these filters for the GE Café series, some of them twist out and some of them pull out. So you definitely want to check your instructions to figure out which one you have. We've got a gray cartridge holder, which means ours just pulls out. If you've got a blue one, you would twist it out. So you open this door and you just pull the old filter out. So this is what I mean by the cartridge holder. And you can see that this housing is gray, and that's why this one would just pull out. But if you had a blue one, you would be turning the filter 1/4 turn counterclockwise to get it out. So it is very important to know if this housing is gray or blue, because if you try to turn the gray one, you'll end up breaking it. Okay, so on this filter, the RPWFE, it's got the word front here, and we want to hold it so the word front is on the front of the filter. And also it's got these little clips here because we have the gray filter holder. We're just going to be trying to line these clips up in there, and we're just going to push it straight in, but we're not going to twist it, because if we twist it on the gray one, we're going to end up breaking it. Okay, so you kind of just got to maneuver it a little bit until it fully seats in there. All right, now we're just gonna swing the filter back toward the refrigerator, and you're gonna know if you did it right because it's gonna swing just like that. You could see how that wasn't very difficult to do, but if there was a lot of resistance there, I would know that I didn't have the filter fully seated where it needs to be, and then you take it out and you try to line it up again. But really, that just did it. So now we're just going to close the housing door. All right, as soon as you put your new filter in the refrigerator, you need to run water, actually about 2 gallons. They say it takes maybe 5 minutes. And so that's going to purge all of the air out of the system. If you have any questions or comments about what we're doing here, just leave them in the comments section below and we'll try to answer them as soon as we can. If you're getting anything out of this video, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel. Thank you very much. All right, so like cool feature on the GE Café, it tells you how many ounces are there. And so we know there's 128 ounces in a gallon. This is a half-gallon pitcher. So anyway, I got to fill this thing 4 times. So this refrigerator, as I was purging the air, it let me know that it was good now. So it says water filter good. All right, well, thanks for watching the video, and hopefully you'll have some nice tasting water now. And also be sure to check out this video.